Hello everyone, welcome back to Codynamics. In this video, we are going to see how to install multiple versions of OpenFOAM and maintain it within your WSL environment. So for that, I'm first going to open my terminal and launch my WSL. Okay, so first the OpenFOAM version that I have already is version 24.12, and you can see from my bashrc that from my installation, the first installation that I have done, have sourced it properly in my bashrc, which is usually in the last line. As you can see, I have added the version 24.12 here. Now I am going to install, let's say, version 25.12, and I want to use both. Then we will see what the procedure is. I'll search for OpenFOAM v2506. Okay, so from here I'm going to click Linux, go to Debian plus Ubuntu, and I'm just going to copy the first line and I'm going to paste it here, put my password. Okay, now I'm just going to run the second thing. So once it is over, now I can install version 25.12. I'll just hit enter, press Y, and I will let it install. Then once the installation is over, I'll get back to you. I'll just leave the system as it is. Okay, now the installation is over and this is how it will show. So we can see the last line, it says source from bashrc, and if we have to follow the actual procedure, we just copy this line, we go to our bashrc and we paste it at the last, we save it, and we have to source our bashrc. Sourcing is done. Now if I type simpleFOAM, you can see it calls 25.12 instead of my older 24.12. Now what if I want to use 24.12? I cannot really do with this method, right? So that's why there is a option in Linux where we can call it as an alias. Let's say I want to call this v2512 equal to, then start with a single quotation and just close this. So now whenever I want to call version 25.12, I can just type v2512, press enter, and this will be called. And even without calling anything, this 24.12 will be called. So I'm just going to save this file. Now one thing you have to notice here is there is no space between the alias word, the equal to, and the quotation. So we have to be very careful about the space, and there has to be space after the alias. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to source my bashrc again. I'll clear it. Now if I type simpleFOAM, you can see it calls version 24.12 because that is what is there without by default without an alias. So it is calling 24.12, but as soon as I do v2512, it sources the alias. It knows what v2512 is. Now if I call simpleFOAM, you can see it is calling the version 25.12 instead of 24.12. Now how do I go back to v2412 without sourcing the bashrc? First thing you can do is just source bashrc and it will work, but this is not the cleanest method possible. So what we can do is we can add an alias for this as well. So I'll just put alias v2412 equal to, then single quotations. I hate this copilot suggestions. Okay, I just saved it. Okay, so if I source my bashrc again, so now if I call simpleFOAM, it should just throw error. Yes, it is throwing an error. So let me call v2412 and then say simpleFOAM. Okay, it is rightly calling version 24.12. Now let me call v2512 and run simpleFOAM. Okay, now it is rightly calling 2512. Now again I can go back to 2412. So you can do this back and forth, and you can have as many versions as you want similar to this. So I hope this video was useful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I will clarify as soon as possible. So if you found the video useful, consider dropping a like, subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.